This is the STRICH adjustable piano bench or piano stool. It came packaged great, it arrived safely, and the company sent me this product to check out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Inside the package you are going to get the stool and all the tools you need to assemble it, and it weighs in at just under 12 pounds. Pretty lightweight. The frame on this is made out of metal, so it gives you a totally solid feel to it. It is an H-frame assembly, so there's a crossbar here that totally reinforces it and gives you extra stability. I'm 6'2", 250. No problem at all. The seat cushion and my favorite feature, the backrest, are made out of soft high density filling and polyurethane leather, so it's super comfortable. The legs each have their own non-slip rubber pads on each end here, so you get a good solid contact, and I don't have to worry about sliding around on the floor while I'm playing. I like that, or scratching the floor up. Each leg can be adjusted separately if you happen to find yourself on uneven ground, and it's super easy to adjust. You just use these knobs right here. You can adjust it anywhere from 18 to 21 inches. There's 4 different holes in here, so you just unscrew this, slide it, put it in the hole, screw it back in, and you can set it up to your preferred height. Another cool thing too is the backrest on here is also adjustable, and that's easy. You just unscrew this, slide it into place, and you've got this much room to adjust it. So you can get it down lower, get it up higher, wherever you want it, lock it into place, and you are good to go. So there you go. It's light enough to transport, so this would be great for gigs too. It's super comfortable, it's ergonomic, it's adjustable, and it's just a great looking piano bench or keyboard bench. Very nice.